Hey, today going to go through the process of removing some screws that are stuck. They've been torn, beat up really bad. I think ultimately they were a Japanese standard of head, and I used US screwdriver, and it just didn't seat in deeply enough and ended up tearing up and shredding the piece. So what I'm going to show is the process of sawing in with a Dremel a little groove across the head, which will then allow us to take a flathead screwdriver and extract this.
If you're doing metal, shouldn't you wear like eye protection?
Quick tip: when trying to remove stripped screw heads, use a short stubby flathead. The flex in the shaft is reduced and the end result is more power where it needs to be, at the head of the stripped screw. Steady the Dremel with two hands so you can get a consistent cut across the face of the screw head, making for an easier extraction later. Your favorite penetrating oil like WD-40, PB Blaster, or liquid wrench will make the job easier on your hands.
Okay, went ahead and tightened it back down. Obviously not crazy, but as you can see, you can definitely see some spot in the plastic where I got it, right there. But if you don't go too far, pay attention to whatever it is that's around the screw.
Well people, that wraps up our video on how to remove a stripped screw using a Dremel. Short and sweet, just like subscribing to our channel. By the way, don't forget there's a new super thanks option YouTube has given small channels such as mine to rake in the big bucks. If you're feeling charitable, check it out. Thanks.